Hi folks, welcome to a quick intro video for COMM 5720, Economics of Mass Media. We're going to cover a lot of ground together over the next 8 weeks, reading within and across a number of fields from media and communication studies, cultural studies, sociology, economics, and science and technology studies. Alright, so I'm going to keep this intro video pretty short and simple, but let me just give you a heads up to what I'm going to be doing. First, I'm going to briefly introduce myself. Next, I'll tell you about the resources that you're going to need to complete the course. And finally, I'll preview the work that you're going to be doing in the course. My name is Dr. Matthew Hale. I have a PhD from the Department of Communication and Culture, Indiana University, and I study social media and popular culture and the politics of technology. I am 35 years old, but as a result of the constant pressure of academia, coupled with the stress of the COVID-19 pandemic, I feel about 76. My pronouns are he, him, his. If you would like me to call you something other than what's listed in the official roster on D2L or in One Stop, just send me an email with any name preferences that you might have. I'm going to have everyone introduce themselves all awkward like in a discussion board, and let me just note here that I hate discussion boards. And then there, I want you to tell me your pronouns and I want to learn a little bit about you. Anyway, if there's anything that you might need now or throughout the semester, just shoot me an email and we can talk. Now, office hours. So my office hours are entirely online this semester, so that means we can set up times to chat or text or call or even speak over Zoom. So basically, I'm going to be available, contact me, and we'll figure out a time and then a platform. I will say that as a rather introverted person, I really hate using my phone to talk to people. It's not you, it's me. If you want to call me, absolutely you sure can. I just need about 48 hours to mentally prepare myself for talking on the phone. This is a joke, but also I seriously loathe talking on the phone, and I do actually need some mental sort of prep time for it. So please email first, then text, and call if it's time sensitive and possibly doom related. All of the materials for the course are available via D2L for free with just one exception. During week 7, that'll be April 19 to 25, if I'm not mistaken, we'll be reading Brooke Aaron Duffy's excellent book, Not Getting Paid to Do What You Love. It's in the $20 to $35 price range, but you can certainly check out a copy from the library via interlibrary loan. You just have to sort of prepare to do that in advance. In addition to that, you will also need access to some means of recording video and audio content. So you'll need a smartphone or a webcam. You could certainly use a camcorder or a DSLR, but a smartphone is going to suffice for our purposes. You'll also need access to PowerPoint, Keynote, or some alternate presentation application and a YouTube account. If you don't have any of these devices or applications available, just touch base with me and we'll see what we can do. You're going to be completing a total of 4 assignments for this class, and in-depth instructions for all of them are located under the Assignment Instruction tab on D2L. In addition to those traditional text-based instructions, I'll be posting video walkthroughs for the more complicated assignments. So here are the assignments. First up is what I'm calling weekly reading notes. These should be a very easy assignment. Consume the assigned readings and multimedia content, take notes, and upload said notes onto D2L via the appropriate Dropbox by 11:59 p.m. on Sundays. In total, you will submit 5 sets of notes. We have 7 weeks of readings, so that gives you a little bit of freebie or off days. Just be strategic with those. And no, before anyone asks, I don't have a specific sort of format in mind here. This is a reoccurring assignment, and it's just designed to make sure that people are following along and doing the readings. Next up is a video essay. You'll be assigned an article listed on the course calendar. I'll post the assigned reading list on the first day of class, so just keep an eye out for that. So read your assigned text, take extensive notes, then you'll need to produce an explainer-style video, kind of like the one you're watching now, that unpacks your assigned article. After that, you'll have what I'm calling a citation chase activity. It's pretty simple, but it might sound confusing when I'm explaining it here. You will find a citation in one of the assigned course texts. So go and find and then read that document that was cited. Then rinse and repeat. In other words, you'll go one level deeper. Find a citation in the article that you just found and then locate and read that. After that, you'll write up a very brief summary, so it'll be about 1 to 2 pages total for both articles. It might, as I mentioned, sound a little bit confusing here, but when you read the instructions, I think it's going to be pretty clear and easy to follow. Basically, you're finding 2 articles, reading them, and then you're writing something about both of them. Lastly, you'll submit a final research project. You can choose to produce a traditional research paper, a photo essay, or maybe a video essay. It's entirely up to you. We'll talk with one another and figure out what you think would best serve your ideas and your career goals, but the point here is there is some flexibility built into this final assignment. I'll provide more info on the project later down the line. I know everyone, myself included, is extremely exhausted from COVID fatigue and the whole "you're living through historic times" thing, so I'll be touching base throughout the semester to see how everyone's doing and if we want to modify the final project in accordance with our collective sense of exhaustion and generalized dread. If you want to take a look at what we're going to be doing and when we're going to be doing it, either pause the video or read extremely fast, or go check out the syllabus on the course website. It's available as a PDF and a doc file under the Syllabus tab. And that's it. I told you it was going to be a pretty quick video. I look forward to working with each of you, and I want to let you know well in advance that I appreciate all of your hard work and your time and effort and energy. And so take care, be safe, and good luck with everything that you're working on this semester.